Hello, my llama children. Welcome back to another video. And I decided to change my YouTube channel name, and I think this one's gonna stick with me forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. So I just want to talk about why I changed my name. It's because I made up this new OC, and then I got really obsessed with her and started drawing like 100 drawings. Like, I made a lot of drawings. So, I thought it would be a good idea to just change my YouTube channel name. Because who wouldn't? Who wouldn't? Someone decided to copy the house and wake it. Okay. But, like, tell me. If you guys made up the new OC and got crazy with it and started drawing like a monster, you would make your YouTube channel that. Literally. Yeah. Wait, I don't still have a Twitch. But, okay, so I'm just going to tell you what I am on because you guys may be concerned. Why is there so many people on one server? Well, this is RunesCraft, and if you guys want RunesCraft, I will put it in the description below, so just go down there and look. I hope you guys have Minecraft, because Minecraft is a good game, and you guys can play on it every single day if you want.
Yeah, we defeat the King Vito. Okay. Whoa, he gave us loads.
So first, this one's no one's house. This is also no one's house. That's no one's house. That's no one's house. That's someone's house. That's the boy I work there. That's no one's house. That's no one's house. That's someone's house. That's the apartment building. That's the redstone area. The street. That's someone's house. That's an orphanage. That's someone's house. That's someone's house. That's my house. Why would I be inside of it if it wasn't? That's someone's house. That's the school. And that flag right there isn't attached to the school. It's attached to my beautiful brother's house. So that's someone's house. And if you look at it from this way, it's a turtle. Okay. This is the track.
Okay,
these are and these are Doritos. No, Doritos do not come with the actual server. You need a texture pack for them, and I'm not linking it because I suck. And this is here for a reason. It's my secret base where I kill people. That's my knife. It's nice and bloody. Oh, I didn't even know that was there. Like, you can see it, but you don't know what I'm doing. That's my kitchen, and that's my other kitchen. I have many children, because we are. So, first room is Lavender's room, but it's also my other daughter's room, which is Leo. I can't see anything. Leo's, and this is Lavender's room. This is my friend Phoenix's room. I didn't have no space, and I didn't feel like making another building, so I made a tiny little closet her room, like Harry Potter. This is also, I'm sorry, Rebecca. It's just like, I couldn't find a good color, so I just picked green. This is my brother's room, and this is my other brother's room, but this is my fake brother. This is my real brother. Online brother. Fake brother. Got it? Okay. I forgot who that is. Let's go check. Oh, this is Sunset's room. Kawaii. That's my friend's Kawaii's room. Upstairs stairs. Okay. That's my best friend's room. Chloe. Pretty sure she's like right next to me. No, this is guest room number 1. No, number 2. Guest room number 1. Yes, I'm sorry, guest number. Oh wait, no. Ooh, this path looks dead. They ain't dead though. They ain't dead. Okay, they ain't dead. This is Nameless's room. Nameless has a really depressing room, so you can't see anything. I'm sorry. Oh, I just closed it. Okay. This is my room. It's nice and red. Nice and
Let's see where you want this.
Awesome.
And then that's Lainey's room. I think I spelled that wrong. I don't care. This is guest room number 1. It is Pubble. So if you guys like Pubble, you guys can just join the server and become a family member. You can be a guest, or you can be wait, what's this? Oh wait, I already showed that one. What room did I not show? I feel like I didn't show all the rooms. Did I feel like I did?
Tunnel Bell is back.
But
Yes.
and yeah. So if you guys ever want to join RuneScraft, go to the description down below, and you will be able to join. And then when you do that, do strings _ tube YT and you will find me. If you guys enjoyed this video, goodbye.